Losing too many motherfuckers nowadays. Nowadays, kill your own homie over chunk change. Sling a slugger through your brother cause your wifey claimed he touched her. And find out in the end that bitch had 20 different lovers. Murder what you love and you gon' learn to love to suffer. Must be something in the water, all that whiskey that you chugging. Now you're rowdy pulling pistols over petty shit and money. And find out in the end you will be buried with your mother. Type I don't like smothering, I do not like cuddling. I ain't the type for that lovey-dovey shit. Let's get accustomed with the fucking game I'm running in. Ain't nobody in it to gain the way we struggling. We had to come up from it. Yeah, me and Bradley was on our own again. Living in a fucking laundry room trapping in. Yeah, trapping in. They got me reasoning I should be on rapping shit. Yeah, ain't no time for trapping when you on that rapping. If you wanna scrap, then meet me in the yard, I got my back. And if you got my back, I got your back. That's how it goes. Nigga, show him no slack. Bust him straight up in his nose. Show me the facts before you selling me a low. These niggas is quacks, these niggas motherfucking toes. How they hop on your back and never will fucking let go. When you come on the stack, I'm bringing it back. I lay down a rack, for you know where I'm at. I put my shit on the map, I show no hater, no slack. Yeah, this is how it goes until chemicals reacting in my brain, that dopamine, amphetamine tracks. Track marks in my arms, shooting up in the dark. I was lost on my own, sleeping behind a park, with no clothes on my jacket on the floor. I had to use it as a pillow, cause that shit was sore. When I woke up and my neck was ate up with ants and shit. And every time I turned around, I'm to question shit. And all the life I'm questioning, it got me, get me answers. Then I go inside the church and pray to God that he forgive my sins. Hey, I don't know.